All right, so this is a preview of a project with instant or real-time filtering, which means that if you start typing in here, for example, Palm, you'll get two properties, Palm Bay and 29 Palms. And you can do the same thing with the other input fields. For example, this one, it's a select input. You can just go ahead and choose cabin in this case, and the same thing will happen. It will start filtering. And you can, of course, combine one and the other. For example, cabin with 4 rooms, you're only going to get 2 of those because I see we have only those here, 4 rooms. And then we can continue filtering with other prices like min price, max price, etc., min square area, and max area. And the cool thing about this is in the URL here, once you change things around, the URL itself will also change. So your users, they can copy that URL, share it with their friends or whatever, and their friends will see the same exact thing that they're seeing. Now let's go into the builder to see how this actually works from the inside. Of course, in your collections, we have the properties over here, and for the types of properties, we have another collection over here, and we have them all connected, all these properties, to an element here. Here's the properties element, and in the settings we see that it's connected. There we go. And the filters, all of them are connected to the inputs that have been built out here. Now I go deeper into this exact template in another video, so go ahead and look at that one. But really quickly, I just wanted to show you how you build out these filter forms. So I'm going to hide this one over here for now. I'm going to go to navigation because I want to build something after it. I hit A or click the plus button here. Go ahead and click form. Now choose filter, click add, and there we go. I'm going to hit A again. Go ahead and click input, and it doesn't look too good. So let's really quickly add a section. And I'm clicking the navigation because once you have a component selected, once you add something to that component, it's going to be added automatically underneath it. That's why I do it this way. And let's go with a container. And in this container, we're going to move the filter form we just created into it. There we go. So it looks a little better. And now I'm going to click this input, give it a name. Let's go with city to differentiate it from the location filter we had already. Placeholder, let's do the same thing, city. There we go. And this name will also show up in the URL. And now if we go to the properties over here where we were a moment ago, here is the location. Now we can just go ahead and delete this and then connect it to the city here instead. There we go. But we can also just go ahead and delete the whole filter and start from scratch just to show you how this works. You find the location column that's in your CMS, in your collection, then use this button to connect it to the filter you just created, and remember to click add, otherwise it's not going to get saved. There you go. Now if it doesn't auto save, click save. Now we can go ahead and preview. And same thing, if you just type in whatever you want, let's go for, let's do the same thing, Palm. Oh, it doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? The most important thing, well, we don't have a button, right? We don't have a workflow created. But this video is about instant search, so we don't really need the buttons. But we need to do one thing, one very important thing. Go to the filter itself. Here it is, filter form. And just switch on in the settings, filter on value change. There we go. Hit save again, click preview. And now once we start typing, it should work. There we go. Now, of course, beyond the text input, if you hit the plus button here, you have the select ones. That was the drop down. We have checkboxes, radios, text areas, etc., etc. A label for your inputs and all that in another video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you next time.